Cascade Springs Nature Preserve. Let's see what they have to offer here.
As we walk down the path, the first thing we see is this old pump house.
Wow. This is creepy cool. So inside Atlanta, there is an area that's about 120 acres of natural wooded land, and it's called Cascade Springs Preserve. And it's crazy because there's cars and stuff going by, but then yet inside here we have this really unique place full of lots of trees and plants and moss and English ivy coating everything. Also some historical value, so pretty cool little stop. It's short, not too long. I think we've only been here for about an hour. Yeah? Yeah. You guys are filming me from a different angle.
Hundreds of soldiers died at Cascade Springs. You can see earthworks dug by Civil War troops as a line of defense in the Battle of Utoy Creek. The earthworks are covered now in dense ferns and ivy. This is a beautiful historic stone and mortar spring house. The purpose of a spring house was not to just look pretty, but to help keep dirt and leaves out of the water. Cascade Springs Nature Preserve is one of the oldest forests existent in the Atlanta city limits. Cascade Road is part of the old Native American road known as Sandtown Road. This connected Stone Mountain area to the western Alabama border. This concludes our trip to Cascade Springs Nature Preserve. Although we didn't see a lot of wildlife, we did see this yellow belly slider in Utoy Creek. We hope you enjoyed this video and will join us on our next adventure.